Hey, I'm going to go through a quick rundown of what's available in the settings, things that I think are useful. So if you go to call sign device preferences, this is where you can adjust your name and how you appear to other people. Device preferences here, you can turn your GPS on or off, what you look like, if it's a ground troop or some other stuff. Turn Bluetooth connectivity on or off. Here you can adjust a bunch of settings for a lot of the tools. Display preferences is kind of cool. You can change your units from like MGRS to degrees decimal, what have you. Your altitude units, your altitude display, if it's height over ellipsoid or MSL. Speed units, just all your units, guys. The scale, the bottom left corner of ATAK, you can turn that on or off. That red crosshair you can turn on or off. You can change where, right now that bottom right box tells you where your location is. You can change the position of it. Make text bigger. Turn on curved display stuff. You can change what color your toolbar is, tool shelf, and if it's on the left side or right side of your screen. Change the color of your tools. I've seen guys change that color to like purple, because purple, you're not going to ever see anything on a map that's purple. It popped out pretty good. You can turn your grid lines on and adjust them. Render speed, I generally set this to battery saver. I don't actually know what it does, but at the end of the day, ATAK is pretty bad with battery, so I try to save battery life any opportunity I can. Yeah, a lot of options out there, a lot of settings that I skipped over, a lot of really technical shit, but showing you some of the useful stuff.